Okay, today we're working on a 2000 Honda Odyssey. They have a bad power steering line. Coated the whole entire engine bay, pretty much. And that's what I'm gonna be replacing today. I replaced the alternator recently, but this one gonna go out soon also with the power steering fluid soaking it. So I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. Let me get down low. Because I don't get it in my face. Okay. That one is the first one I had to remove. And I gotta get that hole loose. There's some brackets on the back side over here. 2 brackets that I had to remove in this sensor over there also. So let me get them removed and I can get you back over. Okay, here we can get a better look at the brackets. It's one here with the bolt, 10mm bolt, and it's one here, and that bolt facing downward. So let me get them out. And here's the sensor over here also. So I think the sensor will be more accessible through the wheel opening. So I'm gonna get these brackets out, then I'm gonna work on this line over here. Okay, we over here at the rack. What I did was spray the little PV glass on the big line to your left, and I used my open end 14mm. I know you're supposed to use a line wrench, but I just worked it back and forth. Fortunately, I got it loose without scraping it out. If you're not so lucky, what I recommend we're doing is just cutting the line off and just using the 14mm socket. That would make it a lot easier instead of trying to find a line wrench and everything. So that was my next resort if that would have worked. So I used the jack for the support and took the driver's side wheel off. Make it easy to get to. I got my drain pan sitting under. I can go and pull the line and let it drain as much as it could. Brackets are removed already. I'm gonna go back to the top with my 10mm. Got a bracket at the back here. Power steering fluid everywhere. Trying not to get covered in it. Okay. That bolt and bracket loose. And just have this 2 10mm at the top of the power steering pump. Okay, the line should pull right out like that. Should be able to. Let me get that open. Squeeze the line through. Let me get you back on while I get the line out. Okay, here I had a new hose, and then they said the old one, it was a pain to get out. So I'm expecting the same going back in. Here's the pressure switch. The connector harness was broken. So I'm gonna have to replace it also. It was already broken, but I'm gonna replace it anyway. And this one I bought was an import direct. It's the part now. It comes with new brackets and new O-rings for the pressure switch and the part that goes into the pump. So let me get that switch. The switch switched over and the line feed fed back through, and I'll get you back on. New line back on halfway. Have it threaded in over here on this side at the rack. The easier way to get it on, leave your R pressure switch up, disconnect it from it. Come in from the bottom and start threading in through the top. Then go to the rack. That's the only way I was able to get it in, and still had to fight it a lot. Here it is here. I just had to put the brushes back on. Okay. Here's the new line. The two bushes where the bracket connect to it, and screw the switch back in. Yeah, that's all to it.